If you purchased a Medicare Advantage plan that has a travel benefit, kudos to you. It gives you a lot of flexibility with the Medicare Advantage PPO plan. I'm going to talk with specificity in this video about United Healthcare's fantastic, what I call best-in-class travel benefit known as Passport. So first of all, if you don't subscribe, keep scrolling. The content's free, so keep scrolling. If you do subscribe, thank you for subscribing. I put this out for free to try to help everybody, and hopefully I'm making an impact on you. And if I am, and you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Let's talk about United Healthcare's Passport benefit. When you get your ID card, if you do have this benefit, it'll say United Health Passport on the corner. So if you do have one of those plans, I think there's about 1.5 million people that do. Open it up and see if you have this benefit. It's available in 46 states and not all counties in those states, okay? So they have expanded this every year, and most other companies have something similar to it. It might not be as broad as United Healthcare's, but I know Anthem, Humana, they also have a similar type of travel benefit. So I'll talk personal experience. I had a client last week, and he wanted to buy this PPO plan. But he spends 3 months of the year in Florida. So I said, no problem. If you have an emergency and you're out of network on a Med Advantage, you're always considered in network, which means you would pay the lower copays for being in network. However, once they stabilize you, if they do end up admitting you to the hospital because you need a stent put in or a pacemaker or something more done, now you're inpatient, and if you're out of network, when they admit you, you have out of network copays, which are higher, and your out-of-network maximum out-of-pocket is substantially higher, generally several $1,000s higher. So we want you to use this benefit to stay in network. So I told my client, it's okay that you go to Florida for 3 months. Just call customer service number on your card and tell them you're going down to Naples for 3 months. Then the carrier will make you in network in Florida. So if you get sick while you're down in Florida and you see providers down there, you'll pay the lower in-network copays instead of the higher out-of-network copays. So he's like, this is good when I'm in Florida, but I drive to Florida. So I'm going to drive from Indiana through Kentucky, Tennessee, Georgia, and every county might not be in the network. So if I go down here to Kentucky, not every county participates. Okay, darn it. That was a good point that he brought up. So he already is going to Florida, so he's going to call customer service and say, make my home network be Lee County, Florida. So then he gets in a car wreck in Kentucky on the way down. The emergency room visit will be in network, so that'll be the lower copay. But if they do have to admit him, now he's out of network. He can call. He can get his card out from the hospital and say, hey, switch me to Anderson County, Kentucky before they do my stents tomorrow, to get those lower copays. The other thing about this travel benefit is that you might be going on vacation to Mississippi, but the county you are going to doesn't participate in this plan. Okay, not all counties are in. It does seem to get bigger every year. So the county you're in is not in. Go ahead and pick the county that's closest to you that is in, and tell them to make that your county while you're on vacation. You know, it's the best laid plans. Just try it. And if you do get sick, sometimes you can just drive to that county. You and your spouse know, hey, if anything happens while we're down here visiting our kids, we want to go to that county hospital versus this county hospital so we can get those lower copays. Medicare Advantage is more work, okay? Flat out. It's a little bit more work. Are your doctors in network? What are your copays going to be? But it's worth it to get all the additional supplemental benefits they have, which are very rich on Medicare Advantage, and to have those lower upfront, sometimes no, monthly premium. So yeah, you got to do more work, but that's okay. It's doable. And I like to remind my clients every year, if you do have this benefit and you do travel, to put it in your calendar and just get in the habit of doing it. Now, you don't just have to use this when you travel for vacation. Let's say I want to go to one of the best skin cancer specialists is in Nevada, and I want to go to Clark County, Vegas, to go to this specialist. I'm not going on vacation. I'm going because I want to get this skin cancer treatment there. I can call using this service and say I want to be in network in Clark County for a week while I get my service, and you can get it at the in-network rate. And then when you go back home, they'll transfer you back to your home network. Like I said, it's a little more work, but it's tremendous the flexibility that you can get with these extra benefits in Medicare Advantage. If you have questions, call us. We have agents that would love to explain this to you, explain the benefits you already have, how to use them, or if you'd like to purchase one of these plans, call us. My family would love to help your family with your Medicare decisions.